Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on do not disturb option. So let us start our video. Firstly we will click on the setting icon. After that here you will see many options. Swipe up and click on the sound and notification bar. After that swipe up some more and here you will see do not disturb option. Click on that. After that enable this. It means that it set your device to mute all the calls and alerts except for your accepted exceptions. So it means that it doesn't it mutes all the calls and notifications in your mobile phone when your do not disturb option is on. And here you will see one icon in your status bar. So I hope this video helps you to on do not disturb option. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.